How's it going, everyone? Today we are again back at the daily video we look at the markets, we explore what is going on, we look at the news, and we try to figure out what the next movements are going to be, educate ourselves and grow together as a team. As always, if you like these kinds of videos, leave a like, subscribe. It really helps me out, makes me want to do more of these so we can share the knowledge together. So let's jump right into the video. So the global crypto market cap is up 2.3% today, which is a good thing. Now, if you look at Bitcoin, it's still fighting barely under 50,000. But after the announcement that the Fed will aggressively dial back its bond buying and sets 3 actually rate hikes next year, it actually pushed the crypto market up. Now, the next steps, the next things we're going to look at in the market, actually nobody can really predict what is going to happen. But in the meantime, what we can do is observe the movement, not only of Bitcoin, but altcoins. And as I spoke about in yesterday's video, when Bitcoin actually starts moving, you have to start looking at the small cap to medium cap coins. That's where you need to turn your attention towards. You should have a look at the market. Of course, always do your own research. Look at the coins. Look at small caps, not at meme tokens, small cap coins, small projects, preferably gaming or DeFi or something small or layer 2 solution. It's up to you what you like, what you want to get involved in, and what you actually have experience in. Now, have a look at that. See what kind of movements you can actually observe after this Bitcoin movement. Get into it. Don't get romantic. When you see some profits, start DCAing out of it, dollar cost averaging out to realize profits before the inevitable bear market. We don't know when it's going to happen. Nobody knows, but be prepared for it. Now let's have a look at what Ethereum is doing right now. Ethereum is around $4,057. Again, Ethereum is slightly up and down in between the 4,000 range. I'm very bullish on Ethereum. People who know me know this. I really believe in the tech. I really believe that it's going to surpass Bitcoin in market cap at some point. I don't know when. Maybe it doesn't happen, but my belief is that it could. There are so many use cases, so many things being built on Ethereum. Mostly, almost everything is built on Ethereum. And if they manage to roll out the Ethereum 2.0 and the gas fees goes away, then we will see a massive explosion in value. Until then, what you can do, if you like Ethereum, you can try to accumulate. But the ideal scenario would be to look at smaller cap coins, realize gains, and actually reinvest it in Bitcoin or Ethereum, depending on what you believe in. Now, here you can also see the backup of what I said before of coins moving. So Ecomi, Aragon, and Ramp break out after Bitcoin price pushes above $49,000. This is just an example. You have to look at your own coins. Obviously, look at what you want to look at, what you're interested in. It was a very good opportunity, the drop we had, to accumulate even more of the projects you support at a lower price. Now, if you see Kraken CEO reverses the 100K Bitcoin target, this is very interesting. He is speculating that crypto winter is now possible. Of course, everybody expected the crypto bear market to happen at some point. It hasn't yet. Be prepared. But what I see here is actual fear coming in sideways. So Kraken's CEO is actually an influential person. Obviously, if a lot of big profile celebrities or people start seeing this as a bear market, obviously it's going to affect the market. But for now, one comment really doesn't make a big difference. Everyone was focused on the Fed. Now that the answer is out, the result is out, people see Bitcoin moving, so the sentiment could change and we could see an actual pump until the end of the year. I don't see it going to 100,000, but maybe we can see another pump happen before the year changes. The next thing I visit after I see this news is Twitter. So TechDev is an amazing account. Just a recommendation if you want to have a look at technical opinion, technical perspective. Go follow the guy. He's very good. So he's comparing different cycles. Now, he says he finds the structural similarities between the current and first halvening Bitcoin market cycles to be remarkable. So again, people are always trying to predict what is happening, right? So he's saying from 2018 until today, this is the third cycle, we are at the yellow point. Now, if he is correct, we are looking at more than 100,000 Bitcoin. What do you think? Leave a comment below and let me know. In other news, we spoke about EFI, Affinity. Now, you can see that Engine's Affinity blockchain is going to help Play NFT develop communities for Twitch streamers. That is very big news. Always Twitch streamers are looking for different ways to engage with the audience. So if they get NFTs involved, that's going to be amazing. Keep an eye out for Affinity as well. Now on to Ethereum news. We are looking at the possibility of breaking out again. I'm very bullish on Ethereum, as I mentioned before. I think the next year will be the year of Ethereum, the next couple of years actually. And I'm very bullish. I think we're going to go more than 10K next year, more than $10,000. If you look at some news regarding Ethereum today, we are looking at Avalanche's scaling capability offers viable alternative to Ethereum. Now, again, everyone is trying to be an Ethereum killer. What I believe is that they are going to coexist, but the majority of the market cap will be on Ethereum. In other news, Ethereum's difficulty bomb was delayed again. According to CoinDesk, the Ethereum network recently underwent the Arrow Glacier hard fork, an upgrade, on December 9th, with the sole purpose of delaying the difficulty bomb to June next year. This tells us that ETH 2.0 is still away, but not too far away. And this difficulty bomb mechanism was to force proof of work to change to proof of stake. So if it was more difficult to mine Ethereum, well, the miners will have to migrate and change their tactic. But it's still delayed. There is still time to mine Ethereum if you're into that. How will this affect the price? Nobody knows. Probably will keep going sideways until we see some major news regarding Ethereum. Now, in other news, Intel thinks the metaverse will need 1,000-fold increase in computing capabilities. Well, I'll add to that and I'll say we need also an internet speed, data speed increase to actually take advantage of the metaverse in the full sense. You need both of these things to be able to use AR, VR, all of these experiences we're imagining right now. It's purely limited by the technology we have today. But this is going to change because we keep leveling up. 5G is coming up, not fully implemented yet in all over the world, all over the countries. But Intel is right. They think that we need an upgrade, but how will the chips we have now actually do this? Nobody knows. For example, in their statement, I'll just have a quick quote. It says Meta's flagship VR space Horizon Worlds maxes out at 20 people for a space. That's for basic Roblox animated worlds. So we are still limited by our tech. As I said before, internet speeds need to change, and also the tech graphics chips need to level up in order for us to use these worlds efficiently in very big numbers. What do you guys think? HBAR news, small addition to the end of this video. Now, Hedera jumps into the metaverse. They want to develop what they describe as an enterprise metaverse. What does that mean? Now, here it says the HBAR Foundation supports development of the Hedera network through grants. Okay, fair enough. They have a new partnership with Metaverse, a web-based 3D creation platform to support development of metaverse-related applications, according to their press release. Now, this is just a race. They are just trying to get in the news so they can increase the performance of their token. I do believe there is potential there, and I do believe when big companies come together and work in unison, there is potential. We just have to wait and see what is going to happen with these news. So Hedera today is at 0.26. There's still room to grow. We're going to have to keep an eye on it and watch what is happening. Bullish news again, some headlines. Brands from Ferrari to Nike rush toward the metaverse future. That's very bullish for the metaverse in general. And auction platform Otis House to sell the first NFT of Bob Ross. If you're a fan of Bob Ross, this legendary man taught so many people how to draw. Would you buy an NFT? Very funny story again. In addition to NFTs, Bored Ape NFT reportedly sells for 3,000 instead of 300,000 due to a fat finger mistake. What is a fat finger mistake? I don't get it. I don't understand it. What is it? What does it mean? How would you react if this happened to you? I wouldn't sleep at night, most likely, or cry in a corner. So again, just to recap today's video, keep an eye in the markets, choose your small cap to medium cap coins, try to actually make some profits, reinvest it in Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is not financial advice. Do your own research always. Find your own projects, find your own plan that works for you. Find an exit strategy, figure it out. If you're young, if you're old, if you're new, if you're in this for many, many years, always learn and develop yourself. I'll leave a link in the bottom. Discord channel. We're building Crypto Agora, huge community of 160 people. Most of us are engaged. We trade knowledge. We speak to each other. We teach each other. If you feel like you could give or get some value out of it, I'll leave a link in the bottom. Go check it out. Follow me on social. Leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out. If you stayed until the end, you are amazing. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.